Hey there, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You speaking with customer service. How can I help you today? You say your computer ain't working. You trying to get a refund. You sure it broke? You tried unplugging it and plugging it back up? Yeah, you need to try unplugging it and plugging it back up first. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hold on, I'm gonna put you on hold real quick. Yo. You at the door. You need that gas. Bet here I come for you. Oh, shit. Hey, make sure you cash at me. Cause you didn't cash at me last time. Shit. Hello, ma'am. You still here? You said the computer's back working? I told you all you had to do was unplug it and plug it back up. Yes, ma'am. You have a great day. Okay. Bye-bye. All right.